When it comes to enhancing the curb appeal of your home in Loves Park, the exterior elements you choose can make a huge difference. While landscaping and paint play significant roles, windows are often the first things visitors notice. Whether you're looking to sell your home or simply want to upgrade its overall aesthetic, window replacement is one of the most impactful investments you can make. Not only does it improve the visual appeal of your home, but it also enhances its energy efficiency and security. In this article, we'll explore how window replacement in Loves Park can significantly boost your home's curb appeal, making it stand out in the neighborhood and leave a lasting impression. Instant aesthetic upgrade. The visual impact of new windows on your home's exterior is undeniable. Over time, windows can become worn, faded, or damaged, affecting the overall look of your property. Old windows with chipped paint, cracked glass, or weathered frames detract from the beauty of your home and can make it appear outdated. Modern design. Replacing old windows with modern, energy-efficient windows instantly updates your home's look. New windows are available in a wide range of styles, including double-hung, casement, picture, and bay windows. Whether your home has a traditional, contemporary, or rustic design, there are windows available to complement its unique architectural style, adding a fresh and modern touch to your exterior. Variety of materials and colors. With new windows, you can choose from a variety of materials like vinyl, fiberglass, wood, or composite, each offering different finishes and textures. Whether you prefer the classic charm of wooden windows or the low-maintenance benefits of vinyl, new windows give you the freedom to choose options that enhance your home's curb appeal. Improved symmetry and proportion. Window replacement can improve the symmetry and proportions of your home's exterior, making it look more balanced and visually appealing. Older windows may have uneven frames or mismatched styles that disrupt the flow of your home's design. By upgrading to new windows, you can ensure that all windows on your home are aligned and complementary in style. Consistent window design. New windows can give your home a cohesive, uniform look, whether you're replacing all the windows or just a few key ones. This consistency creates a more polished and well-thought-out appearance, adding to the overall curb appeal of your property. Customized sizes and shapes. If you're looking to make a more dramatic statement, replacing your windows with custom sizes or shapes can significantly alter the look of your home. Adding larger picture windows or arched windows can change the feel of the entire facade, drawing attention to the beauty of your home and improving its architectural integrity. Increased natural light. New windows can also increase the amount of natural light entering your home, which improves both the interior and exterior appearance. A home flooded with light appears brighter, more inviting, and more spacious. If your current windows are too small, poorly positioned, or obstructed by aging frames, replacing them can dramatically improve the amount of sunlight in your home. Bright, welcoming atmosphere. Installing larger or more strategically placed windows can allow more sunlight to pour in, making your home feel airy and warm. This increase in natural light enhances the curb appeal by creating a bright, welcoming atmosphere both inside and out. Better view. New windows can also improve your view of the outdoors, especially if your current windows are foggy, cracked, or damaged. With clear, pristine glass, you can enjoy unobstructed views of your garden, yard, or surrounding neighborhood, further enhancing your home's charm. Energy efficiency and sustainability. A window replacement not only improves the look of your home but also increases its energy efficiency. Today's modern windows are designed to be highly insulating, helping to regulate the temperature inside your home and reduce energy bills. With growing awareness of environmental impact, homeowners are becoming more mindful of energy-efficient home improvements, and new windows are one of the most effective ways to reduce your carbon footprint. Lower energy costs. Double-pane windows with low E coatings or gas-filled chambers provide better insulation than older, single-pane windows. This means your home stays cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, reducing the need for excessive air conditioning and heating. Not only does this save you money, but it also makes your home more comfortable. Sustainability. Replacing old, inefficient windows with energy-efficient models shows that your home is eco-conscious and up-to-date with modern building standards. This green approach adds value to your home and appeals to potential buyers who are looking for energy-saving features. Increased home value. Beyond aesthetic improvements, window replacement can increase your home's market value. If you're planning to sell your home in the future, potential buyers are likely to be drawn to homes with updated, energy-efficient windows. Homes with new windows are perceived as more move-in ready and require less immediate maintenance. High ROI. Window replacement is known to offer a high return on investment, ROI. Studies suggest that homeowners can recoup a significant portion of their investment when selling their home, especially if the windows are energy efficient and improve the home's overall appearance. A fresh set of windows gives potential buyers one less thing to worry about, making your home more attractive to the market. Increased security. New windows also offer an added layer of security to your home. Older windows with worn-out locks or weak frames can be a security risk, as they are easier for intruders to break into. Modern windows come with reinforced frames, stronger locks, and impact-resistant glass, making your home safer for you and your family. Peace of mind. With new windows installed, you'll not only enhance the curb appeal of your home, but you'll also feel more confident in your home's security, knowing that the windows are up to modern standards. Conclusion. Window replacement in Loves Park is a smart investment that offers both aesthetic appeal and practical benefits. Whether you're looking to improve your home's curb appeal, increase natural light, enhance energy efficiency, or boost its market value, new windows provide the solution. With the wide variety of styles, materials, and features available, upgrading your windows can give your home a fresh, modern look while improving its overall performance and value. Whether you plan to stay in your home for years or sell it in the near future, window replacement is a powerful upgrade that makes your home more beautiful, functional, and valuable.